Hello, welcome back to GT Races. Today we are doing something indoors because I have got myself a package. As you know, if you have seen my previous videos, I have some problem with my Alfa. I had the upper wishbones that got completely worn out, and I ordered some new one, and I did a video when I changing the upper wishbones. But in the process of changing them, I had problem with nuts seizing up, and I had the same problem with both of the anti-roll bar links, because I had to, the upper part of the link, that is two nuts like that, I had to cut it. I had to take it off in order to be able to get down the suspension, to take it down. And of course it seized on both sides and I had to cut them. And the other thing to do then is just order new links. Not very expensive at all, I ordered them from UK, from Alfa Workshop. No, I forgot the name. I can't remember the name now. I will find it and write it up here, yeah, so you know it, Alfa Workshop. They're very good. They have a lot of original parts for Alfa Romeos, all Alfa Romeos, and yeah, even Fiat 2, and I can't remember if it was an MO car, but Italian cars. And they have like everything, and I have ordered many times from them. No, I'm lying. I have ordered, like, this is the third time I ordered from them, so not many times. And I will continue order for them, because they have almost everything. I hope this is the box, because I'm waiting for other boxes too that will come with spare parts. But of course it's the Royal Mail, so it's from the UK. Yes, it is. It says return address Jamie Porter Limited. That is Alfa Workshop. Yeah. Let's take and open this and see what it is inside, and hope that it is the anti-roll bar links. Otherwise, it will be a very strange video, and I open this up and it's like 3 pink drunk unicorns. I will be like, what will I do with unicorns in my Alfa? But I could probably have pink drunk unicorns in my Alfa. Okay, we have a paper. Let's see now. It's Alfa Workshop. Alfa Workshop was the name. Look at that. Yes, both sides. Front roll bar link fits both sides. Drop link. Is that a name in English? Drop link. I thought it was like, I just call it anti-roll bar link or roll bar link. Good. Yeah. Cost me 300 euros. That was all for two, so 15 euros for each pair. Beautiful emballage. Yeah, look at these. We have two packages. Let's open it up. It's from TRW. I have no idea what that is. But it said it should be original. I don't know if you can see. Here you have the description designation, and you can see it fits for Alfa Romeo 147, Alfa Romeo 156, Alfa Romeo 156 Sport Wagon, of course, and the GT. And of course, the 147, 156 and GT is basically the same car. Even though, personally, I think the GT looks nicer on the Autoworks. Ah, there's a strong tape. Where's my knife? But I would say I would love to have a 156 with the big V6. It's like a dream for me to have. Oh, look at here. Here we have the drop link, as I know. No, it is. It's a drop link. That is the correct name, not anti-roll bar link. But it looks very good. Damn. This will be interesting to put in. I need to see we have a manual. Nice. I never seen that ever sent a manual. It's actually a small booklet. Like I'm thinking about IKEA. Oh yes, need to grease it. What is this for? Because here you have the lower wishbone. Maybe they mean maybe I need to loosen the lower wishbone. That doesn't sound fun. To have to. And this picture, I don't even know what that is. What is that? I have no idea. And the first picture is this. Do you have any idea what that is? I think I see the wheel. I think. Is it for me to? I don't know. This will be a very interesting video to make because now I got a little bit confused. I thought that I just, cut and just put, because the upper part I have already, cut this. The lower part is so difficult to reach because they are towards the inside of the car. No, you understand, the inner part of the wheelhouse. So difficult to reach because you have the wishbone and you have other, I can't remember now, things in the way. So difficult to reach to cut it. So I thought that I just cut it, just put this back. But according to this manual, I have to loosen the lower wishbone. I really don't want to do that. Never mind. This is... Maybe I have time to go out and start shooting the video for this now, or at least I'll go out and start looking and see how I can do this. Yeah. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this and watch my other videos, and please watch next video that I hope will try to put in the drop link. Goodbye.